Thank you for choosing us as your trusted partner in learning English. In today's video, we will explore how to approach someone in your neighborhood and complete a basic conversation. To get the most out of this lesson, we recommend repeating the phrases along with us. Let's begin. Happy learning. Hello. How are you? I am good. How's everything? Hi. Everything's good. Just picking up some household items. How about you? I'm good. Just got back from a short vacation. Where did you get these groceries from? There's a new shop around the corner of our building. That sounds great. We won't have to go far for basic necessities. Definitely. Are you heading out now? Yes. Just going for a quick lunch downtown. Take care, you too.